Hey guys, this is like very quick video for you that won't talk about the alternatives to the character creator. So first thing first, the Make Human. This is the first one. It's a free and open source 3D computer graphics middleware. It's a little bit like older, but it's like this is something that you can actually like check out and try for yourself. So it's kind of like the open source software to Swift creation and customizable 3D human models. Also similar functionality for morphing, posting, and dressing human figures. Less ready-made content. And also dependencies on external software to achieve high quality, complete projects. Users often need to rely on other software for texturing, rendering, and 3D modeling. So this is the first one that you can like check out. The second one is Dash Studio. So Dash Studio is also interesting one. So it's used by top brands and illustrations. Dash Studio gives amateurs and professionals and graphic artists a free time-saving tool to create and customize their creation. So offers a comprehensive library of high-quality 3D models, textures, and animations, enabling artists to create detailed and realistic scene. So another one is like also the Vroid. So Vroid Studio, also interesting one, is a 3D character creation software developed for you for express yourself in a way, even without 3D modeling expertise. So it's a great program that lets you create 3D characters, the one for free as you can see. And I know it's like it's more specific one in a different thing, and maybe it's going to be more limited comparing to the character creator, but still maybe you're gonna find it like beneficial for you. So that's what I wanted to share with you. So very quick video as alternatives, and have a great day and goodbye.